Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Such an Education Hub in English. Friends, today we will discuss with the answer of the question, what is the scope of income tax? As you know, this is also the very important question in the exams, right? So what is the scope? When we're discussing about the scope, you first have to know about the scope of what? That is the income tax, right? So firstly, we have to understand the meaning of what is income tax. So before starting the stop, what is income tax? If we know about the income tax, that is a tax which is deducted by the government on your income, on the individual's income or on the entity's income, right? In simple word, oh my god, it is my income. Yes, it is your income. But this is just the meaning. We have to understand what is included in the term income tax, right? So what is included in the term? The first one step that is included in the scope of income tax is the various types of income. That is the taxation of various type of income. The tax of various types of income. And do you know the various types of income? Yes, sir. We all know. What are the types of income? That is a salary income. Number one, as you know. The number two is house property. Number three, PGBP. Number four, capital gain. And the number five is other sources. These are the all types of income that we tax first to calculate the gross total income and thereby deduct the deductions and get the total income, right? This is the first step. That is the first one that included in the scope. And the second one that is included in the scope is tax credits. What are the tax credits? One is exemption and another one is deduction. We all know about the section 10. That is included the exempted incomes and the 80C to 80U deductions. We all know about these sections, and these sections are the very much important in the income tax to calculate the exact total income of the individual, right? And the third one is TDS and TCS, right? What is TDS? The tax that is deducted on the certain type of payment. The tax that is deducting on the certain type of payments like interest and dividend. And what is TCS? That is a tax that is collected on the certain types of income, right? That is salary and rent. These are the two terms also included under the income tax. We also have to consider the provisions of these two terms as well to cover the whole scope of income tax. Okay. The next turn is fourth one. What is the fourth one? That is the administration of tax laws. If we know about the income tax, it is also included the tax assessment, the collection of tax, and the enforcement of various laws as well. These three terms are very much covering in the scope of income tax, and without these three things, the income tax is nothing. So this is the main part of the scope of the income tax. Okay. The fifth one, appeals and remedies. In case of any dispute, income tax is also including the penalties or the appeals or the remedies for the various type of solutions. So if any individual feels any type of dispute or feel any dissatisfaction, then they go to appeal and feel the remedies from the income tax. So this is also included in the income tax. So this is the scope, but the another one scope, before discussing the another one scope, this is the information corner for you. You have to read it carefully first. Okay. So this is just our book, and read it. After that, the sixth one is covering the scope. What is sixth one? That is included in the income tax. This is advance tax. What it is? Advance tax. Okay. So what is advance tax? Simply, if you understand the term advance tax, that is a tax which is collected on the income in advance on the income being received. That is the income you have received, and you advancedly pay the tax to the income tax department. This is considered an advance tax. Okay. So this is also the term that contains the various provisions to understand the scope of income tax. These are the 6 type of scopes that you have to cover under this chapter. Okay, so this is all about our scope. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe our video.